What is up guys, bonjour, this is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube, yes, wine videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of one of the famous estates, a winery in the Saint-Émilion appellation of the Bordeaux wine region of France. This is the Grand Cru Classé, a classified growth that was selected during the 2012 classification of the wines from Saint-Émilion. We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this famous chateau with a typical French pronunciation, Château Grand Pontet. So the D at the end of grand is silent in French, so do not say grand, but rather grand. And then Pontet, the T at the end is silent as well, so do not say Pontet, but rather Pontet. Overall, Château Grand Pontet. Château Grand Pontet. It'd be fine in English or American to say Château Grand Pontet. Château Grand Pontet, Grand Cru Classé of Saint-Émilion, Bordeaux wine, right bank, obviously. Château Grand Pontet. If you want to learn more about the 2012 classification of the wines from Saint-Émilion, how it was done, all of the top estates from the area, here are videos that you may want to watch next. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir.